I will show you the steps on how you can create a WhatsApp channel on your Android phone or an iPhone. WhatsApp channels are a game changer for people who wants to share update with an audience. And this is especially useful if you are running a business or if you are a content creator who wants to keep your followers updated with your latest posts and announcements. The first thing which we need to do is to open the WhatsApp application. Then navigate over to the update section. You will see a bunch of WhatsApp channels appear on this page. And then tap on create channel. And then continue. And our job now is to add a channel photo or a profile picture. So I will quickly add one from my photo gallery. And after that you are gonna add a name to your channel. And I will name mine Apptech. Just as an example. You can then write something for the description. Explain what this channel is about, what you're gonna be sharing in this channel, and similar. Once you fill out all the necessary information about your channel, click on the create channel. As you can see, my WhatsApp channel has been created. You can now share your channel link by copying it or sending the channel link to your friends or family members in WhatsApp and grow your community. Thanks for watching.